Hello everyone, welcome to Swan channel. See this video fully, share to your friends, subscribe to Swan channel, give the likes. Now the topic we are going to do is company accounts. A company is a voluntary association. It is created by law. It has a perpetual succession. The members may come and go from the company, but company will ever exist. So the company remains constant. Even the member changes, the company remains constant. So that we say it is a perpetual succession. It has a feature of limited liability. In case of limited liability, the personal assets of the members will not be affected in any of the cases. The entire capital of the company is divided into a small units. That small unit, each unit, we call it as a share. Now, based on this topic, we are going to do the sums. The first sum is Joy Limited issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Rupees 5 on application. This 10 rupee share was being classified in this way. 5 on application, 2 on allotment, 2 on first call and 1 on final call. So this 10 rupee share was divided into 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So if you add together you get 10. Now the company has issued 1 lakh equity shares. All shares are subscribed. So they invited to the public has subscribed the entire shares of 1 lakh. So this type we call it as a full subscription. Now let us do the journal entries for this. First heading is in the books of Joy Limited. Journal entries. The particulars LF, debit, credit. Now first is application money received. That's the first journal. So the company will maintain a bank account. On behalf of the company, the bank will receive the amount. So bank should be debited. Receiver should be debited. Bank is a personal account. The receiver should be debited. Bank account debtor. Your debit amount is 1 lakh shares into each application cost is 5 rupees. 1 lakh into 5, you get 5 lakhs. 2. Share application account. So your credit amount is also 5 lakhs. So your narration is application money received. So that is your narration. Application money received. Now this application money should be transferred to capital. So what is a journal? Share application account debtor to share capital account. The application amount transferred to share capital. So the same, how many shares you have? 1 lakh share of 5 rupees application. So 5 lakhs debited and 5 lakhs credited. Narration is application money transferred. So this is regarding the application. After completing the application, the company goes for the allotment of shares. So in case of allotment, first you have to write the due entry for the allotment. So in case of due entry, share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Share allotment account debtor. We are going for the next part, that is share allotment. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. So the allotment money is due in this case. The first allotment money is due. So how many shares do you have? The shares is 1 lakh shares. 1 lakh shares into 2 rupees each. So 1 lakh into 2, if you multiply 2 lakh, debit amount is 2 lakhs and credit amount is also 2 lakhs. Then the next entry is the bank will be the receiver of this amount. First entry is due, the next entry will be the bank will be the receiver of the amount. So bank account debtor to share allotment account. Bank account debtor to share allotment account. So your debit amount is, so 1 lakh shares you have into 2 rupees each. So 1 lakh into 2 rupees, that comes around 2 lakhs. Your credit amount is also 2 lakhs. The narration is allotment money received. Allotment money received. Similarly, you have to do for the first call. Your first call. So how many shares, equity shares you have? 1 lakh. 1 lakh equity shares of the first call is 2 rupees. So your 1 lakh, that is first call amount is due. So let us write the journal. Share first call account debtor to share first call account debtor to share capital account. So your first call money is due. So what is the amount in first call? 1 lakh share into 2 rupees is 2 lakhs. The first call money is due. Then next is bank account debtor to share first call. So the same 1 lakh shares into 2 rupees each, that is 2 lakhs. So the first call money is due. First call money is due. Call in the sense the installment basis they will pay the money. So that we call it as a call. Then next is final call. The final call, the same is, first is final call money will be due amount. So share final call account debtor. Share final call account debtor to share capital. So your final call money is due. You have 1 lakh share of rupees 1 rupee each. So you get 1 lakh. So debit amount is 1 lakh and credit amount is 1 lakh. Then next is the final call money is received. So final call account debtor, that is final call money is received. Received in the sense that who will be the receiver of amount? Bank will be the receiver. Bank account debtor to share final call account. So you get the amount of 1 lakh debit and 1 lakh credit. So the bank will be the receiver of the amount. Receiver should be debited bank account debtor to final call account. So final call money received. So these are the journal entries. So based on this concepts, we will be doing further sums in next videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.